Okay guys, just a quick video. If you've got your nunchuck keeps coming up as disconnected, the first thing obviously is to check that it's your nunchuck, because they can break inside this thing, which obviously you're not going to fix this way. But if you checked your nunchucks and it keeps coming up disconnected, you want to get you've two little pins here and here, which you want to try and pry up with the tweezers. And here's one I've taken apart because you can see it a bit better. As you can see, here are the two pins just there. So if you can get in with your tweezers and just pry them up a bit, and it tightens the connection, and you shouldn't have the problem anymore.